Welcome to Summer Cubes. This video is a short example of the Puppet Cube version 2, step 1, 2 and 3. In my ultra short guide, the link below, you can see all the algorithms to fix the cube. First, I need a scramble. This should be sufficient. Now I will go look for a familiar shape. First thing I will go to do is going to make 4 big blocks in the bottom. When I have 4 big blocks in the bottom, I will often find a shape that I can recognize and use one simple algorithm to make it a cube shape again. Now I think when you have this one, you can do an L prime, an F prime, and now you have the gun. When you have the gun, you can do R prime, U, R, and U. Now you have the cube shape. The main big blocks, the red and green and white, I need to rotate or place the 3 other big blocks around this big block. So the orange and green needs to go into this position. I will swap those 2. The swapping algorithm can be seen in my set of algorithms. Swap. It goes like B, U, R2, U2 prime, and B, R, U prime, R, U2 prime, and R prime. This one is the right position. I need to swap those 2. I reorient the cube, so I have the edges on the top, back, and right side. Those 2 will be swapped by doing this algorithm once again. B, U, R2, U2 prime, and B, R, U prime, R, U2 prime, and R prime. The main big blocks are now in the right position. I will go find the L blocks, this one, and this one. This L block is in the right position. I need to swap those 2. So I reorient my cube to have those big blocks on the front. Not big blocks, those L blocks on the front. I will swap those with this algorithm. F, U, F, U2, R2, U, R, U prime, R2, U, and F2. All the big blocks and all the L blocks are now in the right position. Now I will proceed with step 3 by making a right cross in the bottom and fixing all the rest of the edges. Orange and white to the top, red and white to the top, out of the way. I will insert the orange and white, bring the back to the top to insert the red and white, and insert. The blue and white I want to position white not facing up, and the green and white are in this position. I can bring the blue and white down, bring the backside up to insert the green and white. So now the right cross is in position. Next step is finding the green and red edge to be placed in this position. I can move this piece to this position and it will be fixed. I'll do a clockwise, those algorithms. I do a clockwise, no flipping algorithm. And I can put this one in the back and forget about it. Next I want to put the red and blue in this position. I will do one setup move to bring this piece into this position, clockwise, no flipping algorithm, and undo my setup move. Next I want to bring all the orange pieces to the top and left, or top and right. This piece I have to move to this position to bring the green and orange to the top. So I will move this piece into this position. Maybe I should flip it first. So I could flip this piece to counterclockwise, flipping algorithm, and then move it into this piece position by counterclockwise, non-flipping algorithm. Then I can move the green and orange into this position and rotate those into place. I need to flip this one to go into this position, so I will use the counterclockwise flipping algorithm. And now, right on the back, I can use a non-flipping algorithm to move those two pieces into position by doing counterclockwise rotation. If I move the red and yellow into this position, I should concentrate on those three as the last. So I will do a counterclockwise, no flipping algorithm. Those two has to be flipped, so I can do a counterclockwise. No, I can do a clockwise flipping algorithm. And then I can move these three pieces into place by doing a non-flipping clockwise algorithm. And the cube is done. Thank you for watching.